wanting to make a vlog,
Okay.
and I was curious if I could take a look at some rooms just to put in my vlog.
Yeah, why not?
That is super cool. I guess everyone's checking out after the long weekend, right?
Yes. Well, a lot of the luxury rooms are available. So
Oh my goodness.
check out some of those. It's just there.
Oh my goodness.
This is the Hollywood luxury room.
Oh, wow. Like so many details too, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh man, I'm really glad I've got a wide angle lens with me today. Oh, wow. That's amazing. People, when they're on their honeymoon, come here. Is that what's the pull for? Oh, okay, okay. I have a friend in Australia who does pole dancing, so I should tell her this is where she needs to go. This is someone's like dream project, right? To get to be the architect.
Yeah, I'm sure.
The entire mall, it's very, I feel like Baroque almost, you know, very embellished.
Oh yeah.
I don't know. Ooh. Oh, wow.
All the Roman themes have a round king bed in them.
Is it hard to sleep on a round bed?
I don't know. I don't think I ever have. I just think that like for people that are of a certain height, it's going to be definitely difficult. Like I'm 6'1", so
Yeah, I could see your feet hanging off the end
I
there.
was like not at the top of the bed, but 3 feet away, that's fine. But
That's really cool. Again, with the jacuzzi. This is very romantic, though, almost. Oh, my goodness. So I remember when I got married, there was definitely, like, this kind of area in the suite we were in, and it wasn't here, but it's so important because you get all these gifts you have to open.
oh yeah.
So to have the space to do it, I don't know, maybe that's a silly thing, but.
Ish or something.
What's your channel?
Oh, it's a Sherman Willis, just my name.
Sherman Willis?
Yeah, there's a lot of like drag queen interviews, movie reviews, and sometimes just like me ranting about boys. So
That's awesome.
check it out.
So definitely Barcelona.
Oh, okay.
Let's take my mom here. Oh.
Using floor. Classic or modern? This is gonna be this very like this also.
Oh my goodness.
So there are 2 queens, or there's 1 king. The classic Polynesian with bunk beds within the theme itself.
That's really, really cool. It's so neat because you can see like some of the newer themes versus ones that probably were themed when it opened, right?
Yeah.
Like, big difference.
And we'll actually get to check out one of the space rooms at some point.
You guys have space rooms.
Yeah, and the space rooms are pretty new. They only are about a year into being open.
No,
This
we're.
is the African luxury room.
Oh, wow. It's got the jacuzzi as well.
Curious how many people would watch Black Panther while staying in this room.
That's hilarious. Oh, this is, you know you're in a fancy room when they have the name of the hotel and the champagne first. Yes. Wow. This is really cool. The horse bottoms are sticking out here too, but
This feels like a cabin.
that's cool. Oh wow. And you know, when you have the mirrors on the ceiling, it's like, it makes everything look so huge. Very spacious. Oh, wow. Look, that being black, that is so cool.
Yeah, I mean, it's actually not.
That was certainly more than I bargained for. Winning!